Hello and welcome my bald bearded friends. Today different kind of video because I received a package. Last week I was contacted on Instagram by a UK company called Moonshave if I was willing to try, review their product, a head shaver, and I was immediately surprised and I thought it was a great idea because I actually was looking for a head shaver, an electric one, for the days you don't want to shave wet. So this is a sponsored video, but I'm very happy to try this one. And this is it, the Moonshave FlexSeries grooming kit. I already looked it up, of course, on their Instagram account and their website. It's not only a head shaver, but has different brushes and stuff, but that I will show you in a minute. This is the package. On the sides the logo of the Bald N Beardsmen. I have to say their logo is better than mine, but it is what it is. On the side, made in the moon, and on the other side, meet your new best friend, which I will see of, and your head will thank you. In it is a white box. Alright, let's open it here. Two compartments. Shaver right here. Nice fitting in the hands, not too big, and a protection cap on it. Loaded as well. It's also really nice. Seems to be contouring all around the head, of course, with a precision trimmer, maybe for your beard or something, to set the lines. Alright. Nice. I will try this I think tomorrow. Right now my hair is a bit too short, but I will try this head shaver tomorrow. Maybe even car. I think it's all kinds of opportunities in the classroom or at work. Alright, let's see what's in the other box. Whoa. We got all kind of stuff. Of course the folder, the information patch. Alright, let's get it all out. A charging cable, of course. We have a, what seems to be a nose and ear hair trimmer. A face brush for the skin. And a trimmer with different length. So you could probably style your beard with it also. 5mm, 7mm. Alright, nice. And of course a zero guard. And the folder stage is the 4D 360 degrees 5-in-1 razor head, facial cleaning brush, precision trimmer, nose and ear hair trimmer, and the soft face sponge, which is of course the rubber thingy right here. Alright. Oh, the shaver is cleanable with water, which is of course great. Oh, you can clean each and every cap separately by pulling it up, right, like this. And then you can wash it with water. So it seems to be even a cleaner product than my Remington trimmer, as you could see. You can hold it on to the tap, just regular water, and clean it all throughout. Oh, nice. And there are of course the trimmers and the face brushes you can insert in them. So let's try how to do that. Oh, You can just pull it off, put the next one in it, I suppose. Yes. Ah! Ah! That's very nice, warm workout. Ah. Alright. Well, as I stated, I will try this one, I think tomorrow. I'm very eager to try this one. It looks robust, how do you say, solid, nice. Review it shortly. Thanks for watching. See you later.